Today's video is going to be on the 7mm-08 150 grain spear hot core bullets in the Federal Power Shok ammunition. And that was shooting through a piece of leather in a 1x. See, it came out my gel block over here. That was the reduced load. You have roughly 25 inches of penetration. That permanent wound cavity starting pretty well right away in the gel, keeping that maximum portion of that permanent wound cavity is just under 4 inches. That low velocity round was traveling 1,932 feet per second. So now we'll flip these around, shoot a high velocity load. The actual factory load I haven't done nothing to. I'm gonna go grab me another one of these chunks. There's my bullet on the high velocity load. And again, that permanent wound cavity started right off the bat. Your leading edge is 23 inches. That large portion of the permanent wound cavity runs from the 1.5-inch mark to almost the 11-inch mark and is just under 5 inches. Mind you, you got to add that inch for the board I use with the hide. But I'd have to say that bullet did not come apart too bad and did an overall good job. Let's dig it out of here. Let's see what we got. Not too shabby. For cheap ammunition, I'd say this is more than viable. It shot good out of every gun I've ever put it in. So, you know, at $13.99 to $15.99 a box, most places I bought it, I'd have to say excellent overall hunting round.